Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper on Toshiba Dynabook Tecra. There are two ways of doing that. The first one is very quick and simple. The second one gives you more options. So let's go with the first method. First, you just need to point to a file that you want to set as wallpaper. So you can go to the File Explorer, then find the file that you've downloaded, for example, and this is my file. I can just right click on it, then click on Set as Desktop Background, and now it is set. In case you want to have more options, you can go to the settings, then in settings go to it'll be in the personalization background, and now you can set it to a picture. Then in picture you can browse for a photo that you want to set. You can also choose a fit for your desktop image, so it'll either fill, fit, stretch, depending on the size of that image. Any of those may work a bit better. You can see in the tile it actually sets the actual size of the image, and if there are several images that will fit because of that size, then you can just see that there are multiple pictures then, and then you can also set it to a solid color and select the color you want to set. A slideshow as well, and in the slideshow you can just browse for a folder, and that folder will just randomly choose a picture with a set interval that you can set here. You can shuffle the picture order, let the slideshow run even if I'm on battery power, and choose a fit as well. Then you can also select Windows Spotlight, and that'll set your wallpaper based on like whatever Windows decides will be looking good. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.